we're going to be in a type of ring of fire pattern. High pressure is going to be under control over the south, and that's buckling the jet stream. And along that jet stream, we're going to have multiple waves of these weak disturbances bringing showers and thunderstorms across the Badger State. So it looks like an increased risk of precipitation is ahead as we head into this upcoming work week, especially as the jet stream will be situating itself right across our viewing area. Now to our southwest, it's going to be hot and humid. To the north, it'll be cooler, and we're just somewhat in between. So I guess a little silver lining is that it's not too hot outside over the coming days. Today's high temperatures are expected to be the warmest over the next 7 days. So we've got a couple areas of low pressure this morning that are tracking off to the east, and some of these thunderstorm clusters will be developing later on this afternoon, and that could spark off some strong and severe thunderstorms. Right now there is a slight risk for severe weather over the southern part of the viewing area and extreme south part of Green Lake and Marquette counties, and then heading down into southern Wisconsin. The rest of us are under a marginal risk for severe weather. It looks like some hail and gusty winds are possible with some of these storms that do fire up. So here's how Skycast pans it out. A few isolated showers and storms possible this morning into the far north woods, and then by about 4 or 5 o'clock, that's where we have this additional line of cluster of thunderstorms moving right across the viewing area potentially, and this would bring in some brief heavy downpours, some gusty winds, small hail, all potentially possible. Now getting to about 7 o'clock, that's when the precipitation pretty much dwindles down, but still holding on to a couple lingering rain showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm into the early evening and overnight hours. Behind it, the skies will start to break a little bit, but with that moisture as it moved out over the area, could actually see some patchy dense fog. I'll show that momentarily. So here comes the first round of rain, and anywhere from about a ½ inch to over an inch and a half, certainly possible. And then as the skies clear, the winds calm a little bit after that storm cluster moves through. Visibilities by Tuesday morning could be down to under a mile. So just a heads up, as you're getting back to work Tuesday morning, you could be encountering some dense fog in some areas. Now getting to the afternoon on Tuesday, looks like pretty quiet for most of the day, but then once again, more showers and storms roll right through the area. And behind it, once again, we start to dry things out again. So totaling just for the next 48 hours, we could see anywhere from about 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. Today's high temperatures getting into 86. We'll have a southwest wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Could have an isolated chance of some severe storms. Tonight dropping down to 67. Storms should be ending. Watch out for some patchy dense fog overnight. And for tomorrow getting up to 81, another chance of storms are possible. North winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Over the coming days, I've got Wednesday dry right now, but that could easily change if we have additional clusters of storms setting up here, as depending on where that jet stream sets up. Highs in the lower 80s for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Another chance of storms Thursday and Friday. It looks like right now Saturday is going to be dry. And then as we head into Sunday, we'll have another chance of storms with a high of 82.